Most people stay broke throughout their life, and that is today's reality. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about two of the most important topics that are why most people stay broke throughout their life, and second, the decisions that I took that made me money. And so you can replicate them and get yourself a starting fund for starting a journey towards your dream. So the first topic is why most people stay broke, right? So in my opinion, the biggest reasons for any person to stay broke throughout their lifetime, or if they don't adapt, even in the beginning days, you can have, you don't have that much maturity, or you may develop the mindset later on in your life. If that happens, well and good, but if that doesn't, then I think the most important reason for that happening could be ego, fear of judgment, and obviously the biggest one is comfort. So you have to leave your comfort zone, you have to let go of your ego, and you should not give a shit about what people think about you, right? But not in a negative way, of course. If you're going on a wrong path and if someone tries to correct you, you might not realize that at that moment, but later on you may catch up to that and think, okay, I should have listened to that person. But if you are confident in yourself that you're on the right track and you can do something remarkable on that journey, then just ignore the noise, cut off the world, stop stop listening to anyone who is not where you want to be. So why and how can we let go of these things? So how even I am struggling to let go of those things, because it is not very easy, and you have to be very disciplined, and your brain, your mind should be very well controlled by you, that you can keep those thoughts away. And you can also, you firstly have to understand what is ego, what is comfort, like not exactly comfort, what is keeping you in your comfort zone, and what are the things that you should avoid listening to, even if it is coming from your loved ones. Okay, so let's talk about the first one, the ego. So you have to be very down to earth